Welcome back everyone to Function Powersports. My name is Calvin. Today we're going to be talking about the Star Series guard and their more modern style, the Sentinel Series guard, to see which one will fit you more and which one you're going to want to buy for your machines. Shop with us actual enthusiasts here to get all your wheel, tire, and suspension accessories and performance parts for your ATV and UTVs. The Star and Sentinel Series guards look very similar until you take one out of the box and then one gets a little bit more self-conscious. They offer similar accessories and both will work with an ATV, dirt bike, and sled. Question is, why is there two? But the better question is, which one's gonna be best for you? Let's take a look at them out of the box, get them installed on some handlebars, and then we can get into the questions and answer them.
All right, take your handguard and you can slide your bracket in all the way over to the end here. And then you're gonna grab your long bolt and you're gonna slide it between these two holes. So you're really gonna wanna go about halfway through, about right there is good, because you're gonna wanna put these spacers in here. So once you put your spacers in, this is gonna ensure that your bracket isn't going to jiggle around while you're riding. Then you can slide it all the way through. So after you put your two big spacers on, there's another small spacer here. You may wanna change the order depending on your machine, and then I'm gonna slide the bolt all the way through. Once you get it all the way through, then you can grab your washer. Don't forget to add that or lose it. And then you can add your nut at the very end here. So because I installed mine down, it's going to be on the underside of the handlebar. And then you're going to put the bracket. Your other bracket here is going to come and install, so the flat end of your bracket is going to go to the flat part of your handlebar. Simply put that down, take your bolt, and you're gonna go from the underside. If you were going the other way, you would go from the overside and go upwards. This one does not require a nut. This just screws right into the bracket itself. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one aside and we're gonna assemble the Star Series while we're at it too, while we're here. It's very similar, so don't worry. You go ahead and grab your bolts again, slide it in just a little bit, and then you can grab your bracket and then your spacer. Your spacer's gonna look a little different for your Star Series. All you're gonna do is line up your two holes here and it's gonna slide down very easily from there. And that's gonna ensure that your bar isn't moving that much, or your bracket isn't moving that much. And then just like before, you're gonna slide your longer bolts in between all the holes. And then like the last one, you're gonna put your little washer on here, and then you're gonna put your bolt on the very end. You can take your tools here and tighten them down. Again, I went under, so it's gonna go on the underside of the handlebar. You can come in with your bracket and do the same exact thing. So I'm gonna come over, I'm gonna put the flat part to this side of the bracket, put it up. I'm gonna come from the underside because you're gonna screw directly into the bracket with no nut again for the Star Series.
Both series come with a clip-in removable vent covers. If your hands get a little sweaty like mine, that helps a lot. And they both also have add-on accessories. So let's get into those real quick too. For the Star Series, you can add a flare, which is just more of a waterproof AEPE foam that increases the surface area around the guard for added protection. They also offer a hand wrap attachment that increases the stability of the hand guard and provides a wraparound protection for your hands. They also offer 2-inch spot mirrors to mount on the outside edge and can be adjusted to get a perfect viewing angle of what's behind you. Lastly, they make an LED upgrade kit, which is my favorite. As always, I love LEDs. They look awesome. They increase the visibility around you at night. For the Sentinel Series, you can add an additional armor around the edges made of the same waterproof foam. They also offer an adjustable spot mirror for the Sentinel Series that can mount on the outside edge and can be rotated in a perfect viewing angle behind you. The LED light kit and gauntlets are also available for these series. Both styles come in a large variety of colors to fit just about every build, but of course, solid black like I've got here is always a great option. The Star Series and the Sentinel Series each have different mounting brackets, so make sure to pick the right one. And a quick note, if you have a 2007 and up Yamaha Grizzly, you need to use the separate tri-mount. Both styles are great, so ultimately just choose which one you like the most. But for a $5 difference, the Sentinel Series looks like it's the way to go in our opinion.
Alright guys, so I've had these handguards on my Sportsman for about a week now, and something I've really noticed about them is how durable they are. I've hit like probably 15 limbs and stuff, and they protect my hands really well. And the mounting system is very durable. It doesn't move. these are probably some of the best handguards out on the market.
Let us know in the comments if you're going to have any handguards on your machine and if you have any questions related to them. We're always here to help answer your power sports questions. Again, if you need anything for ATV and UTV, we've got you covered at functionpowersports.com. And we've got a variety of financing options as well, as low as 0% to help you out. That's all for me today. Have fun, stay safe out there riding. I'll see you in the next one.